Last year, Vybz Kartel got his crown. Does that make him? Does that make him the new king?
Yeah, I don't know what is a new king from what is an old king.
Can you have many kings?
Kartel 50-year-old, there's no new king. Where I do? Stop it.
You move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them?
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. So people, I know want to see Beenie Man forward about this king thing and all of them look thing. I mean, I say, yo, brother, Beenie Man, I think, brother, you're too old for this, dog. You see me? You put in the work over the years, brother. Nobody can take that for you. You see me? But you see that childish behavior, dog, you need to put it down. May I tell you? But here I go on, people.
How does it feel to be 50-something as a dancehall artist?
Yeah, it always feels great because every time as a kid, you always want to be older. You want to always be that man. You see? So, you know, when you reach that age and come up that age, you realize that this age is fine. So it's just for you to just live it.
Partying as hard as you're known to do.
Well, I'm working harder, not partying. Guys,
why are you working harder now?
I am more in demand, so I have no time to party.
At this point, though, people like you have a team to make the load less heavy. Do you have a team in place?
I do have a team, yeah, but I mostly work with my wife. Yeah, like seriously, she make everything happen.
Yo, Jano, I never know still. You have a team, but man say a wife, brother. Yeah. Well, it's a good look. If my wife by himself and can make things happen, it's a good look same way. You see me? Yeah. But I never know say my wife still, but I do anything.
Trust issues?
Well, no, really. I trust who I trust and I love who I trust.
Were you as prepared as maybe you should have been going back to the States?
And tell me that one thing if you know about me, I'm always prepared. When it comes to doing shows and pleasing my fans and make my fans feel good about themselves, that when them come to a Beenie Man show, them can go home and speak about it. You know my thing. My thing is always about them, and it's all about the people.
I hear you, but I have to be honest. It did seem that it was a little low-key, your return to the American stage.
No, well...
the fanfare that some other people got didn't seem to be there when you went back to the States.
Yeah, but then I'm nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but what...
And this are the thing, people. I think the thing with the Beenie Man, when Beenie Man go back to the state, you have to understand, say, look here, Beenie Man never lock up. You understand? People that fly come to Jamaica come see him perform, people go UK, people go Canada, for go see him. Although he has not been in the US for about maybe like, how much years? Like 10 years? Yeah, I think. Seen? But people did come to Jamaica come see him. When him go Canada, people see him. When him go UK or tour or whatever, or in the Caribbean, people go see him because of the same set of people that might travel outside the United States. I go Canada, Jamaica, all these things. So people did see him. It's not like Kartel will lock up and they're Jamaica and nobody could see him. None at all. That's the difference. Although Beenie Man never go in the US, the same US tourists them a fly come to Jamaica come see him, a perform. So that's why when him reach over there, it wasn't like that. You understand? Because they must see him. Maybe not because Stream no go US, them still come to Jamaica come see him. So that's the difference.
Is that a matter of preparation?
No, it's
because Moses, Beenie Man is a big star.
True. But every time you're doing things, you have to have the right promoters, the right people who is promoting the show, and the right promotion. You understand what I say? But when you have fans, like what we have, you don't think you need that. You just go on and your fans them support you. Yes, certain things, yeah, boom, 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 but no. Because we get the same sold out show, we get the same venues, and we sell out the same venue where everybody else sold out.
If that were the case, why was the hype missing?
There's no hype, because we don't do hype, Anthony Miller. You know, we don't do hype, man, none at all, man. We be who we are, because we are who we are. We don't do hype, because hype are nice, and we don't make nice. We do what we support.
And this are the thing, you know. I think when Beenie Man go back to the US, right? And this is how I'm wrong him for. Him did a try compete with Kartel thing. See? Because him end up want to do a back-to-back show, but the second show end up have a cancel because of the ticket sales. You understand? And this may have to say, Beenie Man should have not done that. He should have just keep the one show and move on. Because I never him the prison when nobody now see him. You understand? Sometime if we just do one thing and not try to do what your next man a do and don't pre the advantage and the disadvantage of certain things. Because him feel like say, alright, if this man can do it, him can do it. Bro, you only gotta slap yourself. Cause when the second show, when the second show get cancelled, I think after that, Beenie Man did post the film show, I think at the UBS, and post up what you call it? And I think Kartel post up the show too. You see me, cause the second one end up cancel. And I say, yo, why Beenie Man I do this? Brother, this back-to-back thing, bro. Stop. You see him now meds with Kartel I do, brother. Kartel, remember say enough people never see Kartel perform it, bro. The man never go these places, plus him there prison, So that I got dip on a different magnitude, fam. You know where you're there road, and you have to go UK and Canada and all these places. People still see you. It no matter if you've been in the US, because it's not like the people in the United States just stay in America and not go nowhere. Them fly go different countries. So any show and if them rate you as an artist, them will come see you. So the demand is not really dead for you. But you fall into the US after so many years, yes, people are going to come out for the first show. But the back-to-back thing now, it might be not going to work. You understand? Because them done a see over the years already. Although you have not been into the United States.
What to do? It's not everybody want to be united. You have to just know. I love music for music itself. See? I love artists because I am an artist. I support music because all of us doing the same job. Now, I do not think that every artist think like me. I don't think that. So you see, if every artist think like me, it would have be a stronger front.
So you were prepared to unite
Always,
with other
now,
artists?
Today, tomorrow, the next day after, next week, next month, next year, I am prepared.
So what was the stumbling block?
Not me. What was it the stumbling block? Not me. My feelings are all about bringing all musicians together so we can be one force.
Do you think you could have maximized
Yeah, man, them easy, man. I put the video with Kartel and Beenie Man up on the stage, Charger, really easy, that.
on the potential of being fresh again to the US market last year? Could you have made more of the moment, Beenie Man?
I am already maximizing. That's about could I make. I did. I went to America and I gained the fans and I gained the sold out shows and I did that. But you know me, Anthony. Me is not a man where come out and promote this and promote that and promote this and promote that. Every minute me on this, every minute watch me. Watch me I do. No.
But that's a part
Yo, I can't tell him attack, Oh, that better that easy.
of the game, though.
Yeah, but that is not my game. My game is to show you my game is growing. Not my game is growing.
Famous dancehall names are going after each other, sometimes clobbering each other. I noticed the left hook reaching Kartel.
Yo, Beenie Man a craft man, that. Cause he make him producer when he came here, something McGregor or something like so. Create AI with him a beat up, must Kartel and must Bounty and all of them look at thing the dog. You understand? I have the AI Kartel I go up on stage and give him crown. I mean, I say Beenie Man, brother, them think they're childish, dog. I feel like when it's supposed to pre the business from a different level, bro. We now go back in a time, bro. You see me? Nobody never say, yo, you're the king or what, brother. You're a king, you're a generation that. You see me? Yeah, brother. So the king thing, bro, it don't even matter. Bro, at the end of the day, bro, it was an artist, it was a good artist. This king thing, bro, I feel like say some childish thing, brother. Like two big men a fight. Bro, leave it, brother. Leave that to the kids, dog. You see me?
God. Yeah, well, it's a game.
You also sent Bounty Killer flying, though.
No, I need to body him up. Catch my fire. The greatest thing about music is we supposed to have fun with it. Every man does a fight. A man does say, ooh, that man left the whole enough to live and that man left for dead and that man left for sit down. I don't believe that. I believe that every artist in this business have a space so you can just deal with your thing. You see it? So Immortal is my new single. My new song is a warm-up single for the album that's coming out very soon. That is what we're dealing with. So the game, Immortal, is a game. We really.
Let me tell you people, I don't know, cause I think Beenie Man, he might crave for the hype and he might crave for a bit to talk about. Because look at this. You know you could have do your album and put out your music without this controversy, this thing. Because bro, at the end of the day, people are gonna just listen to music. You see me? I feel like that AI thing the way you do, it don't even make no sense, bro. You see me? It don't make no sense, brother. If I saw you go promote it, nah, fam. Cause you have fans out there say, yo, bro, like, yeah, move away, dog. You see me? Yeah, cause to me, more reassure a little shades. It's not about the music. Yeah, I just saw me see it. Cause when I put out an album, and the whole album are with the king thing I fight with Kartel and all of them little thing there. That now make no sense, dog. You see me? Yeah.
Working on it to put it out on all PCs where everybody can play it and things.
This new song you have, why are you telling people to go?
And we have say, man, bad mind for go, man, hypocrite for go. Because you see, you have a lot of people who come talk to you and shake your hand every day and look in your face and say, oh, you're my artist and we love and respect you and honor you and wear it. And they don't. They want to see you go down. They want to see everything stop for you. So, yeah, them go. You say this, me say that. You go on there, so you are part of that person there. Me are part of that person there. It's always there in the business. We have to take our music to the world. It's not for the world to take our music to us. Rihanna goes through dancehall music. I can name out a whole heap of American artists who have #1 dancehall music on the Billboard chart. And tell me when last you have a dancehall pop Billboard song.
So what's the problem? Why is the music now at a standstill overseas?
We are the problem. We are Jamaican. Why are we not selling Jamaica?
Have you ever contributed to that crab in a barrel mentality? Did you fight against other DJs too?
No, I have defend myself. Never fight against an artist.
Yo. The brother named Beenie man, dog. The man you lie, you freak. What you mean? Brother, first of all, remember when Alkaline just forward out? Seen? And Alkaline never trouble your day nothing, right? Alkaline overseas and thing. I do him look a thing. Seen? Or maybe if him there Jamaica, nobody know to see him. Seen? Beenie man forward out on a stage. Remember, you know, Alkaline no say nothing about Beenie, this Beenie nothing. The man go up on a stage because them time them did a rate the Gaza thing. When him say anything if say Gaza me say. So him did a try use the Gaza thing, right? Him go up on stage and say Alkaline say him nah perform for dirty Jamaica. See? Damage man who damage man brand in the dark. Yeah, tell you know people. See? And Alkaline he forward in 2017 with him show and address it and say, yo, brother, me no know you. Oh, you for come forward and say that. Then I think him do a next interview. And I say, yo, Alkaline I want to perform for people them this and that and Ray going like him big. Bro, stop it, brother. And you fight a lot of people in a game, dog. Bo. Yeah, defend yourself. Alkaline never do nothing, brother. So what we are try defend. At that with you, bro, like you know me realize people, when him see people are dominate and people are get talk about more than him always try to dip in it and try to do something. And that me realize with him. Cause you don't know everybody a talk about album and them a talk about 3 album. Kartel, Alkaline and Massacre album. See? So what him alright, me tell people, that's why him do the AI thing. Him make Alkaline freeze Massacre. He make more that this he make because he want tap into the little thing we are going now. Cause true nobody not talk about film album, you know. I only Massacre, Kartel and Alkaline. So that's why him create that little AI thing there now. You understand? And make himself win in the competition, which him never fight everybody in the competition. You understand? So at that anytime him feel left out, seem like when him a tell lie about Alkaline, say yo Ray. At that time Alkaline was a man. You see me? So him a try use the Gaza thing now. If you try this Alkaline, no him a talk about when man ask him about fight artist. He must say no, him not fight artist, him a defense. Stop it, brother. Be a liar, tell dog.
I defend myself because every artist want to go. So I defend myself.
Maybe the rest will say the same thing.
No, but I never start the war. This is the problem. This will start the war fight against you, you know. So you have to defend yourself. So I defended myself, right through, and still defending myself, right through.
Beyond the whole controversy over who is the king of the dancehall and who wears the crown, does that matter to you anymore, or in your mind you are the king of the dancehall?
Not in my mind. In your mind, who is your king?
I'm in media. I can't take sides.
You ask me a question. You ask me a question.
But I can't take sides.
All right, blessings. All right, let me tell you something. We, every man, born as king. Zin, what is your work? Your body of work, what you put down, the amount of years that you put in the music, make you recognize for who you are.
But me not understand that, brother. Every artist put in the work, dog. So if I that you go use say about king thing, it don't make no sense, bro. You see me? You know me realize with Beenie have a ego thing. It's like if you follow him want always be on top. Meaning him no want give up his crown. Which, brother, you can just keep your crown enough for your generation. But the next generation after you, a lot of people out there, them now look to you as no king. You not for them king. Bro, that's just the physics, the chemistry of music, bro. Yeah, in a year time, your fans them, your people them, yeah, you feed them king. You have your fans who say, yo, you're a king. The other rest of artists them, in a feed them generation, them are gonna have for them artists who say, yo, them are the king. I saw a thing said that, cause I only in a dance me about this king thing, bro. Man, I fight over this and I feel like say, brother, I'm bigger than this dog. You see me? I'm supposed to do enough for the bro and guide the youths them and them look thing. This fighting over king thing. That's some childish thing that, bro. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, them say Kartel are the king. You are do a AI thing at I make Kartel. That's silly, brother. You see me? That's silly, bro. You do your work, bro, Beenie man. You do your work, brother. But I saw it go, dog. You're going like say when you're 80. I saw when you're 80, you don't want nobody else. I don't understand, brother. You see me? Because at the end of the day, it no matter what you say, or what the generation say. Say if that generation you say, yo, at this one I king, you can't stop them. You understand? I saw a thing said.
So, what am I gonna say?
But you got your crown at Reggae Sumfest back in the day. Last year,
Yeah, but in a one crown, me get Anthony Miller.
and multiple crowns.
Yes, I did multiple crowns.
Last year, Vybz Kartel got his crown. Does that make
Multiple crowns.
Does that make him the new king?
Yeah, I don't know what is a new king from what is an old king.
Can you have many kings?
Got a
at dancehall?
50-year-old, there's no new king. Where I do it. Stop it. Stop it.
Yo, Jano dog. Jaja. Man, I say after Kartel at 50 years old, no new king. Jano dog. But they might fight over a king thing, you know. You see me? At the end of the day, two great artists them, so they must know.
Anyway, there's no, let me tell you this. You see me is not King Yellowman. I'm the king of the dancehall. My word, me make it, me build it. Me sing the song, welcome the king of the dancehall. I build it.
The one and only king.
You have something else to say?
Did you ever forgive Yellow Man for coming after you the way he came after you?
And you have to always have forgiveness. As a man where naturally in your heart, you have to always have
Did
forgiveness.
you understand why he came after you in the way he came after you?
Yes, I do understand. And I do forgive him. 100%. I do. Yeah. And him still not gonna like me. That's it.
What's a bigger title? King of the Dancehall or World Boss?
Yeah, God. You have one king. Zin? Done the argument. Blessings. That's the first. That was Mojo. Him bring it to me, and then me like it. And then we just move towards it. Woman a scream and a boogie down on the dance floor. Reggae bring back love. So we have some on the same rhythm. We're not working with Morgan Heritage band. I have my own drummer. I have my own bass player. So it's going to be two bands on stage at the same time.
See Beenie Man at the Barclays Center at a sold-out gig in 2026.
Me sell out your bass. All right, me sell it out. Sell it out. Sell it out. It's bigger than Barclays Center. So what are you saying?
I'm not saying this or that. I'm waiting for you to say it.
Yeah, because you're
you
media.
tell me about it.
It's bigger than Barclays Center. So it's not because I don't work at Barclays. I get the same audience with you pull.
And this are the thing, you know. Jaja. The Barclays thing, I don't know when since Barclays are the standard for dancehall. Like, come on. I don't understand, bro. Not it's just a event like same like UBS, same like the other rest of arena them. You see me, like, yeah, artists do them for do them fans forward out. But not because you're not perform our event means say yo you not do the work or you not pull the crowd. You see me? It's just an event to pull like other events. There's no special. You see me? I don't know when since this Barclays thing. You see me? Event are keeping a Barclays long time. You see me? I just threw Kartel forward out now and you don't know, CJ say alright, Barclays in a New York, you see me, diaspora, central to everything. So you see it, I don't know them start use this Barclays thing now for have it as a standard thing for dancehall. Like, bro, it's so many arenas across the world, like, you see me? Yeah, and even arenas where have more numbers than Barclays. So yeah, the Barclays thing there. Sometimes I wonder more.
Me alone. By myself. Thank you.
Any other mountains to scale? What is it you want to achieve to say this? I've stamped my greatness, and here is the proof.
Yeah, we just want to be the greatest artist, greatest dancehall artist of all times. One king, one life.
Yeah, man, say I want to be the greatest dancehall artist of all time. Jaja Beenie, but you can't just do it in a king thing. You're supposed to be. Sometimes, brother, sometimes I feel like when I just limit yourself, bro. When I fight over limitation. The king thing, bro, you should have better you fight for your world, bro. For run your world. You understand? This king thing, bro, now hold on pan and them. So it even make no sense, bro. You see me? It don't make no sense, dog. At the end of the day, you already go up in a age and thing, and you have artists out there where do it for them generation and thing. you can't tell the people them that. I don't know how long you go hold on for a king thing. It's to be, yeah, but I say things setting up people. You don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.